Hello everyone. So in this video we will be discussing about AWS Secret Managers. So Secret Manager is somehow more secure than a parameter store. So in general cases, the parameter store is more like an environment variable storage place where we can store plain text, or we can also store encrypted text, and we can store password and stuff. But for the general more security, we might need to use AWS Secret Manager. So this AWS service is more focused on security, and it is mostly used for password protection, mostly used for other secure key establishment, and also it also provides a very special service like key rotation. So let's say you want to expire your key after 30 days, then yeah, AWS Secret Manager enables you to do that, and your key will not be working after 30 days and you need to create a new one, or it will automatically create a new one. So that is more secure approach to password management. Okay, so in this general figure we can see AWS Secret Manager, and then it enables password rotation or rotate the secret at a desirable interval. It uses Amazon AWS Lambda to rotate the key, and we can also use AWS directory service. So if we are using AWS, if your company is already established with Microsoft Active Directory, then you can also use Active Directory service and connect to your Microsoft Active Directory environment. So this is the general workflow, but in this lab we are just going to use Secret Manager and AWS Lambda for the key rotation. Let's go to AWS Secret Manager. You can search it in the tab, store a new secret. So we can store for different aspects, right? We can store for database credentials, we can store different other Redshift warehouse credential or any other things. So I'm just going to select order for now, and it's going to be a key here value. So it's going to be a key value pair, and then I'm just going to select name it the key. Sorry, my bad. I'm just going to put the key name like my API key, and value could be, so let me just put it like password 123, and we're gonna use encryption key, and we are gonna use AWS Secret Manager to use the encryption key. So we already have one. If you want a new, just create a new one and it will appear over here, and you can use that particular key to encrypt your data. Just select the one over here and press next. So let's configure our secret. So the secret name would be my API secret. Description, we don't really need it, but let's say we're gonna just select the next option over here. To the rotation, yeah, edit rotation, you can enable automatic rotation, and you can use cron job over here. And then if you don't want to use cron job, then you can just express builder. This is much more friendly. You can select months and how many months do you want to rotate it, maybe 1 month, and you want to enable this command or run this on the first Monday of each month. This is better. And then yeah, so now what does this does is, with this rotation schedule, it will run the lambda function, and the lambda function is supposed to change the key to a new one. So in the previous so back in the days it automatically creates that particular function, but now it doesn't enable it, it doesn't give it directly, so we need to create a lambda function by ourselves. So just go to lambda function, go to dashboard, create a new lambda function, and we can just name it my API secret, my secret rotation function. We're gonna go with Python on this one, and then create a function. So we got our function now. Just copy paste the code from the run book, and now you can see this code. Now in this runbook code, we can see it actually gets the event ID as a secret. So this is the current version of secret ID. So it will try to create a new password with these random choices. So it's going to create a completely random password over here, and then it will create a new JSON object over here with the username and its password. So if you have a username, then you can put a username, but in our case we only have a password set up over here, so we can just remove the username section entirely. So password, so make sure this is the key that we are working with. If you go to encryption key, so my API secret, so it should be named this, not the password. Here you go. And then it will change the value to the new one, and ultimately it changes it over here like this, and it dumps the old one. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Just deploy the code. Now there are a few more things that you need to set it up over here. The second thing that you need to go through is the permission that Lambda uses to enable this key rotation. So I have put it in our node runbook. Just go to configuration, permission, click on the role, add inline policy, insertion, paste it over here, and as you can see, I have enabled for all the resources. It should get the secret value and put the secret value and describe the secret value. Okay, so this enables us to manipulate the AWS secret with this Lambda. Next, I'm just gonna name it secret policy. Create policy. Okay, now we have a Lambda function. Let's go to rotation, edit rotation, automatic. Just gonna select month, 1 month. This is going to default, and now we got our function over here. Save it. So in the Lambda function, go to configuration and go to resource-based policy. You can add permission over here. You can say AWS access permissions, and then click on secret managers. So you just want to give an ID for this. Let's see if we have any. Just gonna put this over here and 1, and then the action could, so just put Lambda invoke function. So with this we enabled AWS Secret Manager to invoke Lambda. Save it. Go to Secret Manager, enable rotation, automatic, and then yeah, again if you want to use the cron job or not month, you're gonna put 1, and then yeah, this is the function. Just save it. So as you can see now, the function whenever the rotation next rotation date is triggered, then it will automatically run the function. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.